Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited, and if you hear my daughter in the background, I don't apologize because this is mom life, but I wanted to show you what I got in a very special package from Amazon. And I know I'm way behind, but I haven't had an Erin Condren in a couple of years or so. I got the On The Go Life Planner Binder, and I am so excited. You don't even know. They actually didn't have the one I wanted. I wanted the hourly, but they didn't have that. Instead, they had the vertical. So yeah, this is a little short unboxing. And okay, so right away my initial thought is I wish I would have gotten the coil almost. The ruler is all bent. I will figure out if I'm going to use this or not. I probably will just to cut washi. I took out a few things, a couple months. It is March, so I'm starting it off with March. I put the folder in the front. Actually, I'm not going to use that. But I'm going to use the folder to put my everyday stickers and then my weekly kits I'm going to use. I have this vellum in the front. There's the intro part with the quotes. It is a bit stiff, but that'll work out on its own. Here's last year, the second half of last year, and this year, my glance. I think I already know what I'm going to do with this. I might put in birthdays, even though they have a birthday part in here. Hang on. So there's this that a lot of people put their goals in. There's lined, there's vellum, and then success starts with a plan. This is March that it starts off with. And then you have the blank little dashboard right here, and then like the birthdays and monthly goals and everything. But I think what I'm going to do is I'll probably cover up the birthdays and the monthly goal and turn this into something else. Monthly view, and then there's weekly, and it is currently Monday the 9th. So I'll have a couple weeks in here where I don't use it. I almost wish that she would, so tired, that she would have it blank on the back of the monthly, just because if you are taking out a week or you miss a week, then it's like, you know, you don't have to worry about keeping this in. But I don't know, then we don't do that for all of the weeks. I don't know, wouldn't be a totally bad thing. They would save some ink. But yeah, I'm not gonna do anything with this week. I'm gonna put some notes in probably for here because this was a very good week for my daughter. And then this is this week. I'll probably just do like a test run, use some old stickers and test run, see what all I want to do. I definitely know what I want to do down here. I'm going to do some tracking down here. And then this week will be the first week of the plan with me's I'm going to do. I don't know that I'm going to have one for this following week because I don't actually have a kit for this week. So there's that. But I'm hoping that during the TBC sale, which is in just a few days, that I will have the, ooh, there we go. Maybe I'll put in which kits I'm going to do right here. Cover this up and put kits. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, and I'm hoping that I'll have all the kits, though, ready for April, that I want to use. Hopefully there'll be enough kits during the new release. So, and if not, then I'll just have to multiple shops shop. If that makes sense. So, yeah, there's my little unboxing. So I got all of this. And then there's the notes in the back. You guys have seen this a million times, so I won't show you, but there's notes in the back, and then that's how it ends. I didn't put in the stickers or anything because I want to use my own stickers that I already have bought. And yeah, that's gonna be my new memory keeper. Yeah, that's gonna be my new memory keeper. I need 2 hands because apparently I'm gonna need to use that to be able to close that. I definitely don't think I'm gonna get this for 2021. I was thinking about getting it, waiting, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'll get the Erin Condren hourly that I did decide I'm gonna get the academic one for July through June, just because this is the year coming up. This next year for my daughter will be kindergarten, and because she'll be in school full time, and she also has therapy that and I'll be working, plus my husband's working. I'm gonna need the hourly, so, and my days will definitely start super early. So yeah, there's my initial thought. I kind of regret getting this, but at the same time I really like that I'm gonna be able to open it up, take out the pages, plan, and not have to worry about the coil being in the way or anything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Thumbs up, subscribe, alerts. Bye guys.